I'm Komal and I'm pursuing CA Intermediate from Vishesh Academy and I'm from Hisar. I've been with Vishesh Academy for 3 years now and all I have to say about this academy are good things. I've had such an amazing experience with the teachers and with the students as well. The biggest plus point for me about this academy has been the fact that they provide you with recorded lectures. As someone who is very prone to being absent and missing classes, the fact that they provide us recorded lectures and backups so that you can catch up with the current classes is honestly the biggest advantage. And for someone and another thing that I've noticed about this academy is if you're an introvert or if you have trouble asking questions in front of class, in front of people, the one thing about Vishesh Academy is it ingrains you with confidence. I've noticed a huge bump in my confidence since I've joined Vishesh, and now I don't think I have a problem with asking a doubt in front of even 100 kids, no matter how dumb I think it is.